Welcome to the South Carolina Preservation Toolkit. This video will show you how to find information if you come to the toolkit with the question, I want to preserve my local African American church. The easiest way to find information on churches is through our Preservation Topics page. So if you hover over this menu here on Preservation Topics, you will see the first one that pops up is churches. These preservation topic pages are curated pages with information all relating to these specific topics. So you'll see a little bit about this resource here. If you scroll down, you'll see our Knowledge Center, which these are relevant blog posts on churches, on African American churches throughout South Carolina that might be helpful to you as you are researching your church preservation project. If you scroll down, you'll also see relevant how-to guides. So the how-to guides that we've selected we think are most important for folks working on Black church preservation projects. We see how to acquire a state historical marker, how to apply for the National Register, how to start a project, and how to apply for a preservation grant. You'll also see helpful resources. So these are external PDFs or links to other websites and information sources that might be useful to you that we have curated specifically around churches. So for churches, we have this PDF here, Community Guide. We see some information on the National Register, Preserving African American Historic Places, Preserving Black History Resource List, How to Fund Your Preservation Project, and How to Preserve African American Historic Places. You can also check out more information via any of our tools if you have specific questions about grants, experts you might need, or other preservation projects. And you can also click on News and Notes to learn more about our blog features as well. Thanks for tuning in.